Loss is a word that shakes us to our core. It's the kind of pain that feels like it will never leave. When someone you love is gone, it can feel like the world has stopped turning. But I'm here to remind you of something powerful. Even in the darkest nights, the stars still shine, and so will you. Grief is not a sign of weakness. It's proof of the love you carry. The ache in your heart is because you loved someone so deeply that their absence feels unbearable. That love, that connection, it doesn't disappear. It lives on in you. I know it's hard. There are moments when you don't want to get out of bed, when the memories bring tears instead of comfort. But hear me when I say this. Their story didn't end. It continues through you. Grief doesn't close the book. It writes the next chapter. Honor their memory by living your life in a way that reflects the love they gave you. Laugh at the jokes they'd laugh at. Do the things they'd be proud of. Carry their legacy forward. Plant seeds of hope. Use the lessons they taught you to make your own life brighter. Each step forward is a way to say, thank you for the love. I'll carry it with me. Healing doesn't mean forgetting. It means loving them differently. Speak their name. Share their story. Let the world know how they impacted your life. Because love like that, it deserves to be celebrated, not hidden away. Your pain has a purpose, not to break you, but to build you. It's okay to cry. It's okay to feel the ache. But remember, every tear you shed is a reminder of how deeply you loved. That's something beautiful. Keep going one step at a time, one moment at a time, because life moves forward, and with it, so can you. You are not defined by what you've lost, but by the love you carry and the strength you show. The sun always rises, even after the darkest night, and so will you. You are not alone. You are loved, and even in your grief, you will rise.